We created the biggest heat recovery project in worldwide Samsung aircon business.
This is the most exciting project I ever had. First of all, this is a 100-year-old building. Very big parts of the building needed very special care. We found out how to install cooling and heating into marble floors and marble walls.
Wherever music is, where people are, festivals, that's where I'll be. I had a dream.
This building is a huge building. We never had a building like this before.
We were proud to win this project. We beat even the best Japanese producer. They were just running after us. Day to day, we are checking our process.
The DMS can give us, via internet, total access to the system. The Samos chocolate shop is located in the World Heritage part of the building. We hide the units behind the sofas and into the walls.
This is the first Hard Rock Cafe in Budapest. It is the best location in Hungary. We have been leasing this space on 4 different floors. We had to choose a system which can give us solutions for restaurant operation and for events and concerts. The Samsung system delivers.
This system can save money to the owner of the building and for the tenants at the same time.
If you use less energy, that is the best for our world.
I'm very proud of this project and my team, and also the cooperation with the EHQ and the Korea and the local our team. This will be the gateway for further success in our Samsung aircon business.